Okay, so generative AI, it's definitely the topic everyone's talking about right now. Seems like a huge leap.
It really does. And it's fascinating.
So for this deep dive, we really want to unpack that. What exactly is it? And, why should we care? We've got a source here that lays out the basics pretty clearly.
Exactly. It's a good starting point.
Yeah.
Because we're moving past AI that just analyzes data that already exists.
Right.
Generative AI is different. It's actually about creating new stuff. Think of maybe like a digital artist or a writer, but it's AI doing the creating.
Okay, creating new content. That's the core idea. How does it manage that? It sounds almost like magic.
Well, it's not magic, but it is clever. It relies on specific machine learning models. You might have heard of some like DAAs
Hmm.
or transformers are a big one.
Transformers, like GPT
Hmm.
and DLE for images.
Precisely those, yeah. GPT is trained on text, so it gets good at writing text. DLE sees tons of images and captions, so it learns to make images from text descriptions.
Oh, okay. So they learn first. The overview mentions training on massive data sets.
Huge amounts of data, absolutely key. GPT, for instance, has read, well, practically a library's worth of text, books, websites, articles, just vast amounts.
So it studies all that.
It learns the patterns, the structure, the style, how language works or how images are composed, and then it can use that understanding to generate something new, something original that fits those patterns.
Okay, that makes more sense. It learns the rules, then it can improvise, kind of. And the examples are pretty cool. Writing assistants, yeah, like blog posts, poems.
Scripts, even emails.
And the visual side, that seems especially wild. You type a cat playing guitar on a beach at sunset.
And boom, you get an image or several variations of it. It's like having this incredibly creative assistant on call.
Yeah, a super creative assistant. That's a good way to put it.
And it goes beyond just text and images. It can compose music, generate realistic sounding voiceovers, even write computer code. The versatility is pretty staggering when you think about it.
It really is. But this overview also brings up some important, maybe heavier points. Responsibilities, ethical challenges.
Absolutely. You can't have technology this powerful without considering the downsides. It's crucial.
Like what specifically? What are the big concerns?
Well, the source mentions deepfakes. That's a big one. Highly realistic fake videos or images. Think about the potential for misinformation or impersonation.
Right. That's definitely worrying. And copyright. If an AI learns from copyrighted work.
That's another huge question. Who owns the output? Is it infringement? It's legally murky territory right now.
And bias too, right? If the training data is biased.
The AI output will likely reflect that bias, absolutely. Then there's just the general question of authenticity. What does it mean if content isn't human-made?
Lots to think about. It puts a lot of responsibility on developers, but also on us as users to be critical.
Definitely need that critical thinking.
But looking ahead, the potential, it seems enormous. The source talks about impacts everywhere. Marketing, education.
Personalized tutors, yeah, imagine that. Entertainment, too. AI writing scripts, maybe even helping animate films?
Healthcare applications as well.
Potentially, yes. Drug discovery, diagnostics. It suggests AI could become a fundamental tool for creativity and problem solving across the board.
It really feels like, as the overview says, we're just scratching the surface.
We absolutely are. The possibilities seem almost endless at this stage.
So wrapping up then, generative AI creates new content, text, images, music, code by learning from vast data sets using models like GPT. It has amazing applications.
But also significant ethical considerations we need to navigate carefully.
Yeah.
Deep fakes, copyright, bias.
Right. It's powerful stuff.
Which leads to maybe a final thought for you listening.
Yeah.
As these AI creative abilities keep getting stronger, what do you think the most surprising impact on our daily lives will be in, say, the next 5 or 10 years?
Yeah. Something to chew on. Where will this creativity lead?
It's definitely something to keep watching. It's evolving so fast.